Hibiscus flowers, commonly referred to as Jamaica flower in certain regions, offer several health benefits. Rich in antioxidants, hibiscus contains antioxidants like flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and anthocyanins. These compounds help fight free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Lowers blood pressure. Some studies suggest that hibiscus tea may help lower blood pressure. It contains compounds that act as natural ACE inhibitors, which can relax blood vessels and thereby lower blood pressure. Heart health. Due to its ability to lower blood pressure and improve cholesterol levels, consuming hibiscus may support heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. May aid in weight management. Hibiscus tea is often consumed as a low-calorie alternative to sugary beverages. It may help in weight management by promoting satiety and inhibiting the absorption of carbohydrates. May improve liver health. Research indicates that hibiscus extract may have hepatoprotective properties, meaning it could help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and diseases. Potential anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that hibiscus extract may possess anti-cancer properties, though more research is needed in this area. Rich in vitamin C. Hibiscus is a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system, skin health, and wound healing. May aid digestive health. Traditionally, hibiscus has been used to soothe digestive issues like constipation, thanks to its mild laxative effect.